defibrillator, also designed to monitor and analyze the ECG of a patient. A battery-powered, lightweight and portable device that uses advanced logic to deliver shocks on both phases. With a base unit along with two paddles attached to it, apex and the sternum. The apex paddle has two buttons, charge and discharge. The sternum paddle has only one discharge button. The front panel consists of the 7-inch display, an encoder, and various operational buttons. The encoder rotates clockwise and anti-clockwise and is used to select the required energy in joules. The charge button charges the capacitors to the required energy in joules. The discharge button discharges the capacitors and delivers the shock to the patient. The encoder can also be used to select and maneuver through different menus. The lower half of the front panel includes a set of buttons that carry out important key operations of the defibrillator. If the unit is in the monitor mode, pressing the defibrillator button brings the unit in defibrillator mode. The sync, non-sync button helps in switching between synchronous and non-synchronous modes of the unit. The defibrillator is in non-synchronous mode by default. When the defib is charged for the shock, but the decision of not delivering the shock is made at the last moment, then the disarm button should be pressed. The disarm button discharges the capacitor through internal circuit without delivering shock. Press defib check button to check proper functioning of defib in manual mode. Press the charge button to start the check. The unit charges to preset energy in joules. Then press the discharge button. The manual defib check complete indicates the proper functioning of the unit. Press ECG freeze key to freeze last 4 seconds ECG. The upper part will show online ECG and lower section will show frozen waveform of ECG. That is a 4-second delayed waveform. To unfreeze the waveform, press ECG freeze key again. The screen will start showing ECG delayed by 4 seconds as that of the above. Press lead key to change the ECG lead. Current selected lead is displayed on the top of ECG waveform. Default lead selection is lead 2. There are 3 lead selection options, VAV, lead 1, 2, and 3. Press gain key to adjust the amplitude of the waveform as required. The selected gain is displayed in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Default gain setting is 1. Other gain options are 0.5 and 2. This BP key is used to check the blood pressure of a patient. Put the BP cuff on the arm of the patient and press the BP button. The menu button opens a menu on the screen. It has options such as event history, display trend, auto alarm reset, set RTC, reset setting, and exit. You can maneuver through these options using the encoder. The details of completed shocks will be seen in Event History option, and it contains serial number, date and time, energy in joules, and status pass or fail. The last shock details will be replaced with latest shock details in the memory. Display trend helps you to switch between tabular and graphical representation of the ECG, SpO2, and NIBP. page will display current time data with previous 6 hours. Rotate encoder to view the next page data or last 24 hours data of all parameters with time. The parameter value that goes out of limit will be marked with red lines. Auto alarm reset helps you to reset the required time interval for an auto alarm. When the master alarm is off, it gets switched on automatically after set time interval. You can set the real-time clock by clicking on Set RTC. Reset Setting button resets all the settings of the unit to default values. The audio alarm on and off key is provided to switch the audio alarm on or off. Audio alarm starts ringing when any value of the parameter goes out of specified limit values. Particular parameter value starts blinking. The bell is displayed with a cross sign when the alarm is manually turned off. The home key enables the users to come back directly to the main screen from the menu. Pressing the print key in defib mode, unit prints the last 10 seconds of ECG data with time, date, energy, shock status and mode name. A manual print of an event can be obtained by pressing the print key. In monitor mode, the unit prints the last 10 seconds of ECG data with time, date, selected lead name, gain and sweep speed. The front panel also has 3 LEDs that indicate the power status of the unit. Respective LEDs illuminate, indicating if the unit is connected to main powers or is running on battery. If the red LED next to battery low illuminates, it indicates that the unit battery is low. Also, the charging required message is shown on the screen simultaneously. The side panel of the unit has various connectors, which are ECG connector, NIBP connector, SpO2 connector, and the pacer connector. The side panel also has 2 volume knobs. One knob is to control the volume of the voice prompt. The other is QRS volume control. It controls the volume of the heart rate beep sound.